page number 50. Listening task, the fox and the grapes. Okay. Listening task. The fox and the grapes. You might have heard this story. The fox and the grapes. Yes, you already know that. What is fox? Fox ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನರಿ. Yes. And the grapes. Grapes means it is a fruit. Grapes. Have you eaten the grapes? Yes. Okay. And this story is about the fox and the grapes. You might have learned this story in the previous classes also. Yes. Now I will read this story. You need to listen carefully. Listen to the story read by your teacher. One day a fox was hungry. One day who was hungry? A fox was hungry. He looked here and there for food. At a distance, the fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine on a tree. Okay, one day what happened? The fox was going, it was very much hungry. So, it was searching for a food. So, that time what happened? He looked here and there for a food. He searched for a food. At a distance, some distance, there is a one vine tree. Okay, vine tree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಯ ಬಳ್ಳಿ, that we call it as the ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು vine on a tree. ಆ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು? bunch of grapes. ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು? bunch of grapes. He wanted to eat the grapes, but the grapes were too high up. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ತೋಟದೊಳಗೆ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೀ. ಅದಕ್ಕದು ಹೈ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕದು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್, ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಿಗಿದು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಜಿಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. He could not reach it, but ಆ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ bunch of grapes ಅನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. He could not reach that at all. So that time he jumped again. So he tried to reach that bunch of grapes. He jumped again and again. The grapes were far too high, but ಆ grapes ಏನಿದ್ವು ಆ ನರಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ bunch of grapes ಇದ್ವು. The fox said to himself, "These grapes are sour. I don't want them. Who will eat sour grapes?" So, ಅದೆಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟು ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತು. ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನಷ್ಟು ತಾನೇ ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತು. ಏನಂತ? ದೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಈ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಏನಿದಾವ ಇವು ಹುಳಿ ಇದಾವ, ಬಟ್ ಅದಿನ್ನೂ ತಿಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಿನ್ಲಾರ್ದದ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು? ದೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಹುಳಿ. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವ ಫುಲ್ ಹುಳಿ ಇದಾವ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ನನ್ಗದ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ನನ್ಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೋರ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹುಳಿಯುವಂತ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡದು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅವೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅವೇ. ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅವೇ. Yes, children, here the story is completed. Yes, how is this story? Shall I repeat once again? Shortly I will tell you. One day, what happened? A fox was very hungry. That time he looked for a food here and there. At some distance, the fox saw a grapes tree. Okay, so he went to eat that grapes, but that bunch of grapes were too high. Okay, he jumped again and again to reach the grapes. Finally, it could not reach the grapes at all. Yes, so that time the fox said to himself that these grapes are sour. I don't want them. Who will eat that sour grapes? Okay. So by saying these words, the fox went away. This is a some short story. So learn this story. Okay, learn to tell by yourself. Without seeing the textbook, you need to tell this story. Here they have given some question answers. Answer these questions orally. What animal is the story about? What animal is the story about? This story is about the fox. What did he see? He saw the bunch of grapes hanging from a vine on a tree. Why did he jump? He jumped at a bunch of grapes. Was he able to reach the grapes? Next question. Was he able to reach the grapes? No, he is not able to reach the grapes. What did he say to himself? The fox said to himself, these grapes are sour. I don't want them. Who will eat the sour grapes? Yes, children, these are the answers of this listening task. Shall I write the answers here? Yes, listening task, the fox and the grapes. The first answer is, here I will write down the answers. The story is about a fox. First answer. The story is about a fox. Second answer. What is the second question? What did he see? ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತದ fox? The fox saw a bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. Third one. Why did he jump? Here he means the fox. Why did the fox jump? He jumped to eat the grapes. He jumped to eat the grapes. Fourth question. Was he able to reach the grapes? No, he could not reach the grapes. No, he could not reach the grapes. Next question. What did he say to himself? These grapes are sour. The fox said to himself that these grapes are sour. I don't want them. I don't want them. Yes, dear students, these are the answers of those 5 questions. Please write down these answers. Okay. Pause the video and write down these answers. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. Yes, children, copy it. Yes. Okay. Next is worksheet 2. Just briefly, I will tell the worksheet 2 linked lesson 5 to 10. Okay. Here A, fill in the blanks. I have a tree, a dash dash tree. What is the answer? Find it out. Okay. Read the lessons. Read the tree poem. Okay. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Which tree? Answers ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Second, the teacher is a caring dash. In my teacher poem ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತೈತಿ. Next, third one, Rohit and Shalu wanted to play with the dash. Fourth one, Kitty had no dash. So there are 4 fill in the blanks are there in the worksheet too. Just try to find out the answers. Okay. Next, write T for the true statements and F for the false statements. First one, the tree shaded the child from the sun. True. Kitty wanted to go inside the blue house. False. Diwali brings happiness. True. Fourth one, Simha the lion was the king of the forest. True. Fifth one, the teacher does not teach. False. Yes. Yes, children. Please copy this listening task. Okay. In the next class, we'll solve the worksheet number 2. Okay. Yes, children. The next class we'll solve worksheet 2. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.